Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up OrangePi and you want to find your right model. Then you go ahead and download Ubuntu image. And I'll be choosing the 4GB RAM version because that's what I have. Alright, once this is finished downloading, you can go ahead and open up OrangePi Imager. And you'll choose your OS, which is going to be the one you just downloaded. So you want to scroll down and hit use custom image. First you got to extract it, so I'm using 7-zip to do that. Alright, go ahead and select it. And now you'll choose your storage device. Make sure you have a microSD already plugged in. Have at least 16 gigs, but I got a bit more, so just do whatever you prefer. And this is going to take a long time, so be ready for that. Next, you'll want to go to your admin page for your Wi-Fi, and you want to choose the IP address. Open up PuTTY, paste it in. Your default username is going to be root, and your default password is going to be OrangePi. From here, you'll want to update Ubuntu. This is also going to take a long time. So you'll run sudo apt-get update and then sudo apt-get upgrade. Alright, once that's done, you'll install your dependencies. So I'll run this command first. And all this is going to be down in the description. So you won't have to try to read it, you can just copy and paste it in. Go ahead and do this one next. I'll be installing Python. Alright, the next one. Install Pi installer. Install Ava daemon. Alright, now you'll want to do systemctl start avadaemon.service. And then systemctl start Ava daemon socket. Go ahead and enable them next. And now you're ready to install AltServer. So I'll just copy and paste that in there. And I did get an error because I didn't install requests, so I'm doing that now. And now I'll just go ahead and run it again. So copy and paste it in. Alright, Well, looks like it's just about done. And that's just me adding in the install request part for my notes. Right now you're in. And you can see if you type in H, you'll get a list of what you need to do. So I'm installing it AltStore on my phone right now. Make sure that you hit T first. And go ahead and plug your phone into the OrangePi. And now you can go ahead and enter your Apple ID, username and password. I recommend just making a new one. And now I'm typing in my 2-factor authentication code. And now you can see that's installing. It's gonna take a little while. It looks like it's done. And you can see here it's on my phone. So you gotta go ahead and trust it. So you wanna go to General, scroll down, hit Device Management, tap and trust. Alright, and now it's done. And now I'm just gonna test it by going to the settings and hitting W, pressing enter for wireless. And I'll go ahead and sign in. So no longer am I connected to the tethered option, I'm just using Wi-Fi to do this. You can see that it refreshed. So that worked. Alright, next I'm gonna install just a YouTube IPA, just to see if that works too. It's probably take like 5 minutes. Looks like it's done. Now I'm just testing it out, showing the features. And I got this IPA from iOS Ninja. I'll also leave that link down in the description in case you want to check it out. This is just the features it has. I'll just be walking through. So you can get rid of ads, enable background play on your phone. So you don't need YouTube Premium, you can just use this. Next thing you gotta do is make it so your OrangePi will automatically run AltServer anytime it boots up. So I'm just running those commands real quick and adding that line to it. And go ahead and press Ctrl X and then save it. And then rebooting it so I can test it out. So I'm opening it back up, and I'm going to see if I can refresh. And as you can see, it works. And that's it.